Hey guys, today's video isn't really a tutorial, it's more or less just me showing off this 3D printer that I've gotten. It's the Creality Ender 3, so if anyone's interested in, or have heard of that before, then you know exactly what I'm going on about here. I've made some models, some custom models from scratch, and I've printed them out, and I'll be showing them off, and basically it's a Chaos Nurgle Warrior, or Chaos Warriors, and I've painted them with the Nurgle paint scheme. And I really want to go through and show you how they turned out. And I'll be making the link available for everyone on Thingiverse, basically a website where you can download a whole bunch of people's stuff and print them. It's just 3D models, and you can print them up. So I've made sure that these models don't need any supports in any way, which is really awesome because you can just print them up and then pull them off and you can use them as they are. And there's very little cleanup required at the end. Now I printed these in batches of 8, and I've actually made all 8 characters have different looks, different helmets, and like different positions. They are pretty much the same, but they do have tiny little differences. So each of them do look slightly unique. But yeah, the 8 print took about 10.5 hours. And that was at full speed, so I make the first layer rather slow and I watch it pretty much the whole entire time just to make sure it doesn't screw up. Once it gets going, I set it to 100% and off it goes. And once it's done, yeah, I pretty much just peel it off and clean it up. And when I'm ready, I give it a black undercoat and paint it up. And this is how they turned out. I'm pretty damn proud of them. If you want to download these yourself and print them, they are completely free and available on Thingiverse, like I said earlier. So I really want to thank Danny, the 3D printing DM from 3D Printing Tabletop. That's a YouTube channel that pretty much focuses on this Creality Ender 3. He basically, without knowing it, introduced me to the world of 3D printing. I've always wanted to get a 3D printer, but he pretty much sold me on this one. So go check him out if you haven't already, and give him some love. And it's well worth investing in this new printer. I love it. I've been printing non-stop, and I've got a lot of projects coming up. So if you're interested, stick around, subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.